To align the printheads using the control panel, swipe down and select Setup. Under Setup, scroll until you see Printer Maintenance, and there is an option to align the printhead. We'll skip for now. When you see this message on the printer, which is to align the printhead, you may want to consider aligning the printhead, because this will get the best possible print quality from your printer. So let's select Continue. So it's printing the alignment page right now. So on the front panel, it is asking us to scan the alignment page, which is to place the alignment page on the scanner glass and then touch Scan. So this is the alignment page that has been printed. Once we've placed the alignment page on the scan glass, let's scan. So the alignment is successful, and we can recycle or discard the alignment page. So this is how you scan the alignment page for your HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 printer.